Hey, what's up everyone? Today I thought we'd do a tour of my Vanagon to show you my tin top camper that costs less than $500 to convert.
$500? That's like a million pennies.
Now it doesn't have the amenities of some expensive camper conversions, but it has everything you need to camp pretty comfortably. Now no van tour is complete without an epic van life video, so I thought I'd take us way up into the mountains to pointlessly show off all of my junk. Alright, so sit back, relax, pay attention, because class is in session.
Hey, settle down back there.
Cue those van life cutscenes, please! Alright, so now that I've taken you 40 miles off the pavement, like they do in all other van life videos, I guess I'm going to show off what I have on the van. Starting on the passenger side, we have our free 20-year-old awning. We found this on Craigslist with a broken leg, a little bit of fabrication, and it's as good as new. So let's move on to the front. Alright, so coming to the front of the van, we have our Rocky Mountain, go west, nope. That's right, this is a custom bumper I built by myself for free out of scrap metal. One of the few things that you will find on our van that is from a vendor are truck style mirrors. If you have not upgraded your mirrors from the stock style, I highly suggest it. We also have our custom built roof rack I built last year for the Treffin Cruise. It holds our CVT roof tent. If you have not checked out the video about our CVT roof tent, be sure to click on over to that. All right, to gain access to our roof storage and our roof tent, we have a custom built ladder that I built to match. The ladder mounts down into the spare tire jack and bolts directly to the roof rack, so there are no holes through the body of the van. All right, so coming to the rear of the van, we have another custom built bumper by me. Wheels are from a 2014 VW Tiguan. These wheels were pretty easy to get mounted up. There were a couple of modifications that needed to be made. Bore of the wheel needed to be opened up to fit over the grease caps, and we needed new wheel hardware, lug bolts and lug nuts to mount them up. All right, so let's move on into the inside of the van. All right, so inside the van we have vinyl floors that we bought from Home Depot. Costed about $20 for the entire box. We have under the seat our house battery and inverter. We have a battery charger for shore power. We have our diesel heater that keeps us warm while we're camping. And we have our power panel that tells us how much charge we have left on our house battery. Can't forget the toilet. Definitely a necessity while you're out with kids. All right, so moving to the front, we have our Panasonic Toughbook laptop that we use for navigation while we're up in the Forest Service roads. Our seats are from a mid-2000s Honda Civic. Coming up next, we're going to be putting our shelf above the windshield, which houses our CD radio and all of our charging. Rubber floors from the factory, and we've moved all of our extra gauges up to the A-pillar pod. All right, guys, thanks for coming out in the middle of nowhere with us to do our van tour. And I think since it's starting to get dark, let's head back to the garage. All right, guys, so thanks for stopping in and checking out our video. If you like the content, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video.